What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of this ear dryer right here. This is the Detangler 2000 ceramic ear dryer. As you can see, bonus inside, we have all these brush, we have the ear dryer itself. I'm just gonna unbox it, let you guys see basically what's inside of this right here and how this basically looks. So as you can see, I'm just gonna unbox the package right now. So right out the back, we have the ear dryer itself. Also, we have one of these blower comb. We have one more ear dryer suction right here. And I think there are three of them, which basically come inside. This is one another comb right here. This is basically a different size. Inside the package, we also have a user manual, which basically come inside that you can basically go through to see all the different brand, different models of this right here. Alright guys, so this is one of the comb right here. I'm just gonna unbox this piece right here. Now this one can use to basically blow out your ear, which gonna combs and give your ear that perfect straight look. So basically if it's might wet, I want to comb it out while doing that, we can basically stuck this part onto this right here, and it basically works on this, as you can see. So very easily to comes off, very easily to go on as well. We have one more right here, as you can see. Now this one have a next teeth inside. This one is a bit different, so you have a small teeth inside right here. So this give you an extra comb of your ear whenever you're using this. And also this one right here, this one basically blow out your ear, but this one doesn't have any comb on it. We're gonna unbox this one so you guys can see how it look. So look guys, there's no comb onto this right here, so you can basically put this on to make the ear flow more control. So you basically control ear with this right here, which is really great. And now we have blower itself looking something like this, as you can see. On the angle right here, we have off, we have the low, we have the high, and we have the cold. So you can basically switch it up like this to go to different mode, which is very simple of how this basically work. Behind the back right here, we have the vent, which suck the ear through. Also we have the cable right here. The cable is really long, as you can see. We have the safety features right there, and on the back right here we have the reset button, we have the test button. We can press this and plug it in to basically for it to work. So as you can see guys, I have it plugged it right now, so you can see that it basically on off. So you can switch this right here. This is basically on low, so you can see it quite fast. So it's blowing away right now. It is getting very hot already. So you can use this part on it to basically control the ear flow, and it basically getting hot. So you can see we have different temperature. You can turn it high. This one is cold right here. So we have three different modes. We have the low, we have high. So when I put it on cold, the air that is coming from this is a bit of room temperature, as I mentioned earlier, and it's worked really great and something that you guys might find interesting. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you find this video very helpful.